Hey guys, I'm Ruchika. I am a blogger from Fashion by Ruda, and my Instagram handle is Ruchika Das Official. I'm just waiting for you guys to come online, and then I'm gonna take you to the Body Shop store at Khan Market, and I'm gonna talk about all the options and the store. I'm gonna show you everything today. The Khan Market. So this is the Khan Market store. I'm just gonna go and yeah, I'm super excited to just see. I'll just wait for them to just come out. So thank you. Hello, hi. So I just entered the store and they are just making sure that everything is safe. I'm just taking the sanitizer in my hand. And yeah, my next hand. Okay.
Can I check your temperature?
Yeah, and now I'm gonna like get my temperature checked. So this is like checking my temperature now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, they're offering gloves also. Yeah, okay. So these are the gloves that they will provide when you step in the store. So sorry, I've had to. Okay. Okay, my gloves are on. Thank you so much. All right, so the gloves are on, and yeah, the Body Shop store are taking all the safety measures. So it's the first beauty brand to start Safe Space campaign, and this is how they are maintaining all the safety measures. So it's amazing, and the first thing that you realize coming here is you feel so safe to shop around the store. Yeah, they are also running, the store is also running a 50% sale. So it's super amazing to see and come at the store and avail all the amazing sale which is like going on. So yeah, these are the categories that you can choose the products from. It is like, this is buy to get 50% off sale which is going on. So you guys can come at the store and see all the options and all the amazing products. These are all the makeup products that they have at the store, and these are all the body products. So I'll just take you through the store a little bit. Look how gorgeous the store looks. You have all the products, and hi there. And yeah, you have the entire store here. This is the Khan Market store. It's really, really beautiful. And then you have an inside section as well for the makeup. And yeah, so they are running this amazing sale. You can definitely come, or you can shop online and avail this sale. They are also doing home delivery. I'll just switch this. Yeah. So they are also doing home delivery. So they have a centralized number through which you can place your order, and it is applicable for 7 days from 10 to 5 p.m. And they are also offering same day delivery. So it's really, really amazing. And you can also get contactless payments and COD options. So you can shop and avail amazing discounts and buy their amazing products. And yeah, as this is, the Rakhi is around the corner, and we all need to like gift our sisters and brothers something. So you can definitely order the products from Body Shop, and I'm gonna show you a couple of gifting options that are available in the store which you can shop around. So I have here this lovely lady who's gonna show you some of the gifting options here. So this is a Japanese cherry blossom range, and this is a pre-packed gifting option which you can go ahead and shop. And show me some more options.
Yeah, we have some customized option also. Like you can customize as per your choice.
Okay, so this is a full men's range. This gifting box is full of like men's product, which you can shop, and you can also customize, and also you can shop from this 50% off products and customized box for your Rakhi gifting. And there are more options here, and I truly love their products. I've been using their products for like really long, and to be honest, I love to gift my brothers and sisters customized box or a gifted box from Body Shop, and yeah, I am sure that they are gonna love it. So yeah, this is all the options. And if you guys don't want to visit the store, you can definitely order it online, and and they will deliver it. You can also send gifts if you are afar and you want to gift somebody, send somebody some gift, and you're like staying so far from your brother and sister and you cannot go and visit their place. So you can definitely shop online and send the gift at their place, and that will be delivered the same day. How amazing is this? So yeah, you can definitely do that as well. I'm sure this live session has been helped a lot of you guys, and you guys will shop from Body Shop. And yeah, if you're visiting the store, don't worry, just come here because it's all safe. I am here doing this live session. They made sure that everything is safe, and they also have this kind of social distancing stickers where you have to like stand, and then the next person will come after you are done with your billing. So this store is super amazing, super safe. So come here, shop your heart out, avail the 50% off, and I'm sure you're gonna love the experience. Thank you guys so much for watching this live. I hope you like the live, and yeah, come and shop at Body Shop. I'm gonna pick up my products, and yeah, I hope you like it.